Pomegranate juice may look simple, but inside your body, it triggers powerful biological effects. As you take the first sip, this antioxidant-rich juice enters the stomach, where digestion begins almost immediately. Inside the intestines, nutrients like polyphenol and vitamin C are absorbed into the bloodstream. These glowing antioxidants travel through blood vessels, protecting cells from damage and reducing inflammation. The heart benefits first. Blood flow becomes smoother, arteries more flexible, and circulation improves. In the brain, antioxidants support neuron activity, helping memory, focus, and mental clarity. Pomegranate juice also supports digestion by promoting a healthier gut environment. Muscles receive nutrients that aid recovery and reduce fatigue, boosting overall energy levels. However, excessive intake may cause acidity, stomach irritation, or a temporary rise in blood sugar. Balance is key. When consumed in moderation, pomegranate juice becomes a powerful ally for heart health, immunity, and cellular protection.